This is Anna from Craft Me a Card, crafting for the crafter, and that is you. So today's video is going to be a little quick because my husband, seeing all the time that I invest on making Mother's Day cards, has dared me to make one in 5 minutes. Ha! And I have picked out what I will be using, and yeah, wish me luck. 5 minutes. Let's see really what's the quickest I could make a card. Okay, and I'm going to put a stopwatch. All right, here we go. On to okay, now get these things out. Ow, ow, ow. Pokey myselfy. I'm not going to clean that. Just gonna go ahead and get this out. My goodness, I can't believe I'm so nervous doing this. I must do this quickly. Okay, now taking these little dies out very well. I'm going to go ahead and see, things aren't cooperating very much here. Smurf song, yes, it helps speed things up. Not. Okay. Stick this on like that. Okay. With this needs to be cut a little because it's a little crooked toe. It's a little crooked. Grab a little bit of ribbon. Okay, flip it around. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Literally speeding here. Oh my. Oh my. This is not gonna happen, y'all. But hey, at least I will be able to tell what's the quickest I can make a card. Right? A card that is more than just something folded in half. Something a little more time consuming. Oh shucks, I forgot to put my little corners. Darn. It's okay. I'm gonna stick them in there. I'm gonna stick you like this. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. 4 minutes already. Okay. I don't think this is possible. don't think this is possible. Who am I kidding? Gosh, I failed this dare. Who am I kidding? Okay. Happy Mother's Day. I still need to cut this out. Oh shoot, I forgot a corner. My goodness, I forgot a corner. Maybe I shouldn't have put a corner, huh? Okay, here we go. Put that here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no. I have to stick this on. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Come on, glue, cooperate here. Mother's Day, Mother's Day. Goodness gracious, goodness gracious. So much glue, not even funny. Oh my goodness. Glue will have to give it some shine, so I'm okay with that. Just can't touch it. Okay, happy. Happy, 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 happy. This is really challenging me. I don't like this. I don't like hurrying up. Happy. There we go. Day. Here we go. Day, day, day. I still want it to be nice, right? Okay. Put some foam adhesive. I know, gotta be true to my beliefs, and that is adding some glue to it. Take backing off. Alright, and sticking Happy Mother's Day on there. Time. Stop. Goodness. Alright. Not too bad. Huh? 8 minutes. You just clip that there. 8 minutes. Good. I think I did very well. 8 minutes and 31 seconds. Not too bad. Here it is. Nice. I think it came out very nice, actually. Just with some cardstock and some die cuts. And I think that 8 minutes and 31 seconds is the quickest I will ever make a card. And I didn't want to cheat and have anything pre-cut already. I wanted to do it to have the time included. So I think this is the quickest I will ever make a card, guys. So my husband dared me, and I want to dare my crafty friends Rebecca Coombs with Paper Crafting with Rebecca and Claire from Mrs. H's Crafty Corner to see if they can make a card in 5 minutes, y'all. Anyone else who would like to join this challenge is more than welcome to. Don't forget to tag me so I can see what you come up with. And no cheating. I'll probably give this another try because it was actually quite fun. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you get inspired. I hope you create. Oops. And I hope you are happy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell and like and comment. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, shucks. I forgot to put my little corners. Darn. My goodness, I forgot a corner.